right, and this is the family area of the beach. See how gigantic it is, yeah. And then on the far side of that is another Royal Elite area that has beds. All right, so the retail and promotion people mainly get this whole area of the beach to hang out and sit in. Behind it is a series of, well, one big, I guess, family pool, then a little mini water park, and then another Royal Elite swimming pool. And you can see these guys have been up for hours cleaning. It's just about 6:45 a.m. And so every morning there's a smaller buffet right over here. They have an infinity pool. Here, a swim up bar. Some more sitting area. Some showers to rinse yourself off. It's a sandy place. No matter what you do, you're getting sand on everything. But yeah, little baby water park. Bigger kids, I would say like 12 and younger. And so yeah, it's a lot of little things that rain water and buckets that dump water. And then again, a Royal Elite pool over yonder, Royal Elite beds. All right, black and platinum memberships. All right, more showers. All right. Well, that's gonna make a nice picture, huh?